An ounce of gold is currently worth $2,000, and scammers are looking to make every penny of it. So how can you stay safe when you're buying or selling gold?
Usually I tell people you want to come into like a licensed precious metal dealer so they have the knowledge, and the state comes in and checks on everything and makes sure you're complying with the standards and everything you're supposed to do.
Hubbard Gold & Coin is licensed by the state and explain the process they go through to determine a piece's worth and authenticity so they don't mistreat the customer.
The first thing we do is we look at it. You know, your eyes is a good example. We look at it, look for a hallmark like 14 karat. For example, this ring, it says 14 karat, but just because it stamps something, that doesn't always mean that's true, because sometimes that is also forged. One good thing we use is a magnet. It's a rare earth magnet, so it's a little different than maybe your magnet on your refrigerator. And the first test, we hit it with the magnet, and if it doesn't stick, it passed the first test, but that's not always true. Then the second step, we have a machine here. It's an X-ray machine. Once you hit the item that you're trying to test and determine what karat gold it is, right here, it's marked 14, and then test in progress, test complete. So now you know it's 14 karat. Another old school method that still works good is a stone. We actually scratch the item we're testing, and then we have different karat acids, and say if it's 14 karat and you put the 14 karat acid on, that mark that you scratched on here should stay there.
They also weigh the item, and an ounce of gold should weigh 31.1 troy ounces, which is a different scale used to measure precious metal.
Definitely do some research, look for reviews, make sure they're reputable, always ask questions, and always shop around. We try to educate the consumer and the public and try to help them. Or if you're going to buy something, make them take it out of the package, weigh it, test it, do anything, to make sure you're safe with your investment.
In Hubbard, for WKBN 27 First News, I'm Brandon Jaycees.